Officer on Duty is a film that initially promises to be a gripping investigative thriller, but as the story unfolds, it becomes clear that it falls short of expectations. The movie lacks the brilliance of a well-crafted investigation, riddled with numerous plot holes and inconsistencies. The protagonist, a police officer who straddles the line between hero and villain, is portrayed in a way that feels more like a caricature than a realistic character. The film attempts to connect with the audience by addressing contemporary issues such as drug abuse among youth and the emotional trauma of women facing harassment. These themes, while relevant, are not enough to salvage the overall narrative. One of the film's few strengths lies in its casting, particularly the villains, who are portrayed with a certain flair and intensity. Their performances stand out, adding some much-needed depth to an otherwise predictable storyline. However, the revelation that the script was written by an actual police officer is both surprising and disappointing. One would expect a police officer to bring a level of authenticity to the portrayal of police procedures and criminal investigations, but this is sorely lacking. The story feels unrealistic, as if written by someone with little understanding of basic investigative techniques or the nuances of police work. The introduction of the protagonist, a police officer, is particularly jarring. In one scene, he violently assaults a pregnant woman without waiting for female officers to arrive, a moment that raises more questions than it answers. Is this officer meant to be a flawed character, or is this a reflection of his lack of self-control? The film doesn't provide clarity, leaving the audience to wonder whether his actions are a result of personal trauma, such as the suicide of his daughter, or simply poor writing. This lack of depth in character development makes it difficult to empathize with or understand the protagonist's motivations. Overall, Officer on Duty is a film that leaves the viewer with more questions than answers. While it manages to be somewhat entertaining and avoids being overly boring, its predictable plot and illogical moments make it hard to fully appreciate. The film's attempt to tackle serious issues is commendable, but its execution falls flat, leaving the audience with a sense of dissatisfaction. For those looking for a realistic and well-crafted investigative thriller, this movie might not hit the mark. However, if you're willing to overlook its flaws, it can be a one-time watch, albeit with a heavy dose of skepticism. Illogical moments, as promised. 1. The protagonist's violent behavior towards a pregnant woman, which seems out of character and poorly justified. 2. The lack of basic investigative procedures, making the police work appear amateurish and unrealistic. 3. The sudden shifts in the protagonist's personality, from a seemingly disciplined officer to an uncontrollable aggressor, without proper explanation. 4. The film's reliance on cliché tropes, such as the troubled cop with a tragic past, without adding any new or compelling layers to the character. 5. The predictable plot twists that fail to surprise or engage the audience, making the story feel formulaic and uninspired.